फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप तो हमेशा स्पेशल होता है और ये हमारा इंडिया के पास ही था यानी कि श्रीलंका। कुछ ही घंटों की फ़्लाइट थी, 3-4 घंटे की फ़्लाइट जो कि हमें श्रीलंका कोलंबो एयरपोर्ट पहुंचा दी।
We should put into this draft only the green tea leaves, and it is called as the withering process.
फिर वो एयरपोर्ट में थोड़ा टाइम मिला तो आसपास की गाड़ियाँ चेकआउट कर रहा था मैं और जगह देखने में काफ़ी मॉडर्न लग रहा था, काफ़ी अच्छा सा एयरपोर्ट था। इनफैक्ट हमारा वेलकम भी काफ़ी शाही अंदाज में हुआ वहाँ पे। इस वीडियो में हम एक खूबसूरत टी प्लांटेशन देखेंगे और उसके अलावा एक वाटरफॉल भी देखेंगे जो कि काफ़ी वेल नोन है। एंड थर्डली ये टी प्लांटेशंस को हम एक खूबसूरत ट्रेन राइड में क्रॉस करेंगे। एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिए। सो लेट्स बिगिन द जर्नी। खुशबू सूंघते हुए, एकदम फ्रेश खुशबू सूंघते हुए हम टी गार्डन्स की तरफ जा रहे हैं।
So, sir and madam, this is our small tea garden. Our biggest plantation is on the way to Nuwara area. So, I will explain you from the leaves. Give me 1 minute. So, sir and madam, there are two variety of tea leaves. There are two variety of tea leaves. One is this green tea plant and one is this black tea plant. Green tea plant and black tea plant comes under Camellia assamica. Yes, and the white tea and golden tea we are getting from this black tea plant. It comes under Camellia sinensis. Yes. So green tea, do you all know how to make green tea? Green tea, sir and madam, we are taking small parts of the leaves, steaming, and we are making this green tea. So feel free factory, you can have a photo or video. Now let's go into inside. So after rolling the tea leaves, we put into this machine and we used to separate the sizes of the tea leaves. So next is our fermentation area. Sir and madam, do you know what is fermentation?
The process to make wine.
Yes. So
Adding
fermentation
oxygen, I
is the
think.
taste, color and the smell of the tea leaves, and also it adds an aroma taste to the tea. So after separating the sizes, we used to keep all the tea leaves inside these 3 layers and we are fermentating. That means there is a humidifier. So sir and madam, this is our drying machine. All the leaves after fermentation we are putting in this dryer machine and the leaves are getting dried under 6 layers. We have the layers. The layers. And behind we have the firewood.
Different layers you said.
Yes, 6 layers. Down also we have the layers.
Okay, so this one, 1, 2,
2, 3,
3,
4, 5.
5, and okay.
Now we have the other layers. We should put into this draft only the green tea leaves, and it is called as the withering process. Withering process means
Drying.
yes, no, reducing the moisture of the tea leaves. So, sir and madam, now this is the summary of the tea, and there are 5 types of tea. Main types of tea from lighter taste to the darker taste. The first one is OP, orange pepper. This has a lighter taste. And this is pepper. This has a medium taste.
Means this is light, this is medium in terms of strength.
Yes. So this is FPOP, flowery broken orange pepper. This has the lightest taste.
Lightest.
Yes, tea taste. And this is BOP, broken orange pepper.
That's it. FBOP, BOP.
This one we call this as the breakfast tea. We are using this with milk and sugar. And also this is BOPF, broken orange pepper fanny. This has the darker taste, sir and madam. And also this one also we can use with milk and sugar. This three without milk and sugar, this one with milk and sugar. And this one is the tea powder. Tea powder. From that machine we are taking. And sir and madam, this is green tea, white tea and gold tea. Green tea we are getting from this tea plant, and gold tea and white tea we are getting from this plant. Green tea, I said you that we are taking the small part, steaming and using green tea. Gold tea and white tea comes from this black tea plant, and also we are taking the buds, baby bud part, keeping it for the sun drive. No chemicals are added. This is white tea, gold tea and green tea. These three types of tea we call it as herbal tea. These are the teas from lighter taste to the darker taste. Okay? Now you can enjoy your tea from here to here, sir, madam. Okay? Enjoy.
I cannot make out any taste. Yes, I'm only getting the taste of water. Little bit spice taste is there, but otherwise mostly water taste. Green tea. Again, very neutral type of taste. So all this becomes progressively darker as you go to the different tea. This is the lightest one, then slightly darker, little more darker, maximum darker. So soon they will get a little bit milk, and we will have it milk. Magic Night is what flavor?
It is a relaxing tea. For that done better with before the sleeping. Inside the lavender.
Okay. Nanu Oya, this station is between in the line of it's the train line from Colombo to Badula, and this train line totally has 50 tunnels. From here it is 18 tunnels. अब इंटरेस्टिंग बात ये है कि श्रीलंका के हिस्ट्री में 1948 में इनका इंडिपेंडेंस हुआ था। इंडिपेंडेंस से पहले ये टी ट्रक्स के लिए यूज़ किया गया था, और इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद इसको टी ट्रक्स के जगह यहाँ पे टूरिस्ट ज़्यादा होने लगे। मतलब टी हियर यू विल सी two platforms. To your right is platform number 1. This entire station Nanu Oya has a British architecture, जो कि यहाँ से दिख ही रहा है थोड़ा बाहर की तरफ से। पूरा ब्रिटिश आर्किटेक्चर है यहाँ का। 150 year old station.
Bola.
आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग एंड टायरिंग जर्नी हम एला में उतर के चल दिए अपने होटल की तरफ जो कि एला में ही था। हमारे फेथफुल ड्राइवर मिस्टर उपल प्रियदर्शनी सिल्वा आ गए थे हम लोगों को पिक करने के लिए। और इसी तरह से खूबसूरत नज़ारों का मनोरंजन, खूबसूरत नज़ारे देखते हुए हम लोग निकल पड़े अपने होटल की ओर। एंड कैरिंग द मेमोरीज ऑफ अ ब्यूटीफुल डे अपलोड की है जो कि श्रीलंका को दर्शा रही है नेचुरल रूप में। इसके बाद और भी वीडियोस आने वाले हैं जो कि डिफरेंट सिटीज़ के बारे में होंगे। सो टिल देन स्टे ट्यून्ड, स्टे सेफ एंड डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। आई विल बी लीविंग यू विद अ वीडियो ऑफ द ब्यूटीफुल रावना वाटरफॉल जो कि एला में पड़ता है।